I recently deleted one of my very, very high performing videos. I am hoping that one day I will share the reason why it was deleted with you. Of course I will. And I'm hoping that we will all be here to enjoy that story. Now I want to make something very, very clear. I am not making these documentaries to project the image of the family of the person who is involved in the documentary. You can see that I am barely even mentioning the names of the wife and children of the people whose history and achievements and contributions that I am documenting, because I believe everybody has a path in life. General Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu is the son of a great Igbo man. I've never talked about him, and I'm referring to Sir Lois Ojukwu. So many Igbo people are children of very great men and women. Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala is the daughter of the king of Ogwashuku, a renowned mathematician and economist. The mother is also a professor. The mother professor, the father professor. I've never talked about the parents. I usually focus on the children. If I'm talking about the parents, I will talk about them in their own right. Professor Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, the father is also a professor, or was also a professor. The first professor of statistics in Nigeria. Go and fact check that. I rarely talk about the father if I'm talking about the child. If I'm talking about the child, I talk about the child. If I'm talking about the children, I talk about the children. Individually. I recently discussed about our renowned global artist, Njideka Akunyili Cosby. And I made mention a little of the mother. These people have achieved greatness in their various different rights. But there are people who would like you to tailor your documentary in a certain way. That is the beauty of what we are doing. We are not doing this for financial gain. We are not doing this for money. Nobody paid us. If you had sent us your parents' profile and you want us to profile them and you pay the required amount for it, and we don't find them worthy or newsworthy, we will not do it. But of course, if we are going to do so, we will do it in your own terms. But we are not doing this because somebody paid us. I just discovered of my own that this generation of young Igbo people need to look back and do an introspection. Look at the greatness of the people that came before you. Some of them are dead, some are still alive. If you see the list we have is over 200. We have not even gone halfway or quarter. There are so many prominent, successful Igbo men and women out there that our young people should emulate. I don't want them to continue having role models who go online naked, smoke online, do all kinds of immorality online, and post them. These are the role models our children are beginning to have. That is why I decided to go back and go front. Because you see, you don't always have to look back to talk about Igbo greatness. Igbo greatness lives in future and in the past. There are so many other Igbo people who are doing well in today's society. There are so many who have done very well in the past. So I mix things up so that our children can have quality role models. It will surprise you the reason why I pulled down some of the documentaries I have pulled down in recent time. And I did so unapologetically. Alright? Because as I've always maintained, we're not doing this for money. Okay? If money will come from this, I pray it does. But our motivation is not how much. I'm not so attached to the videos. My father was a very great man as well. I have not even posted his own documentary. I am a great man. I have not posted my own documentary. So if your father or your mother is documented here, factually, without any misrepresentation of facts, and you find it necessary to reach out to us, first of all, you have to be thankful because you didn't contract or contact us to do documentaries of your parents. So, but if you contact us thinking we ought to have made mentions of you people as children, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. This is Enuani Cultural Forum, and our number one objective is to project and promote the Igbo culture, personality, lifestyle, food, anything Igbo. If it is not Igbo, if it is not projecting Igbo identity positively, count us out. Yes, count us out. I'm not sad. I'm just saying that one day I know I will be able to freely let you know which documentaries did I delete and why I deleted them. Thanks for supporting Enuani Cultural Forum. Please continue supporting us. Follow us on all social media platforms. The name remains the same. Enuani Cultural Forum on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on TikTok. The name remains Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. And you can also try out our website, www.enuaniculturalforum.com. My name, once again, is Prince. On the name Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. Continue supporting Enuani Cultural Forum. See you in our subsequent videos. Look through our channel. You will find so many interesting videos. Please binge on them, share them, engage with them. That is what helps the algorithm to push them to new audiences. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.